how to fix PUBG Mobile crashing or how to play PUBG Mobile on rooted Android devices. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Mobile crashing on your Android device and what is the reason behind it. Well, Tencent Games pushed out an update for PUBG Mobile, the version being 0.17.0, and in this update they added root detection. So if your Android device is rooted, your game will crash after a few minutes. How do you fix that? Well, the fix for that is pretty easy. All you need to do is go into Magisk Manager, click on the three bar menu on the top left, go into settings, and here you need to make sure that Magisk Hide is enabled. Once that is done, we will go back, click on the three bar menu on the top left, go into Magisk Hide, and make sure that you have checked PUBG Mobile. Initially it will be without this check mark, so search for PUBG Mobile, click on the circle and the option will become checked. Tap on the down arrow and make sure that you have a check mark beside each of the items listed below PUBG Mobile. Next we will go back, click on the three bar menu on the top left, go back into settings, and what we're going to do next is hide Magisk Manager. What we are doing here is renaming Magisk Manager to something else because games have become intelligent and what they are checking for is the word Magisk. All you need to do is select Magisk Manager, type in whatever name you want to. You can use Manager, just make sure that the name does not have the word Magisk in it. So this is what the name I prefer because PUBG is doing things similar to what Fortnite and what Pokemon did. So this is the name we are going to give it and click on OK. At this point, Magisk Manager should reboot. And as you just saw, Magisk rebooted and Magisk Manager icon disappeared from our desktop. Well, Magisk is still there. Just open the application drawer and here it is. This is the new name for Magisk Manager. We can also check that by going into settings, apps, manage apps, and here we need to search for the new name. So here it is. If you click on the eye icon on the top right, it may be different for your phone, but you can see that even the APK name has changed to something else. On a normal installation without Magisk Hide, the APK name will be com.magisk or something like that. So the developer of Magisk is smart enough to rename the APK as well. Another thing I suggest you do is you download a file manager of your choice. I'm using FX File Manager because that is what I'm comfortable with, and we'll go into main storage, and if you have a folder called TWRP or a folder called Fox, in short, if you have a custom recovery installed and you have a folder for that, make sure you rename that as well because this is the next step which Tencent Games is going to take. Fortnite and Pokemon Go already do this. They scan your storage. If they find a folder called twerp, they will not let you play the game even if you are using Magisk Hide. And last but not the least, I do suggest that you install another Magisk module. So open Magisk Manager, click on the three bar menu on the top left, go into downloads, and you need to download the props hide. So we'll search for Magisk. As soon as you type in Magisk, you should get the Magisk Hide Props module. So this is the module I'm talking about. Click on the download button, make sure you're connected to the internet, click on install, click on allow if it is asking for permissions. Wait for Magisk to do its thing, which is to install the module. Once that is done, just click on reboot. Once we've booted back into Android, we can open our Magisk Manager with a new name and just make sure that the module which we installed, which is Magisk Hide Props, is enabled. How do you know it is enabled? You can tell that by the check mark sign inside the circle. So there it is peeps. That is how you can fix PUBG Mobile crashing on your Android device, or you can play PUBG Mobile on your rooted Android device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.